Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Reggae and dub selector Yaad salutes the rhythm. Known for his popular mixtape series Reggae Aroma, reggae roots selector Yaad has released his latest mixtape dubbed Rhythm Salute Volume 1, intended to showcase Jamaica's unique mixtape culture, in particular highlighting dubplate style.
We just want to really build a vibe back for the mixtape, because that's one of our culture them as well. So we want the people them start, look forward to mixtape. We want to inspire the selector them to start put more creativity in their mixtape them and everything.
He shared some of the artists who are featured on the 20-track mixtape.
Some of the artists who feature, TVJ, Chronix, Jesse Royal, Randy Valentine, Leela, Ike, Meliku, Scene, Carbon, Scene, and then we feature the elder them same way, Kidosai, Scene, and we got some Obama we feature Harris and the same way, you don't know, Junior Gang dep on it same way.
The selection producer is adding artists to his repertoire with his upcoming debut single Ready Now, produced by Ryan Williams for Bermuda and co-produced by Ian Mackey based in California, which is scheduled to be released on Friday, May 3.
5 plus 7, no. 12 trends, hard, I mean, now let it go. Like the Chinese grabber, attack and no.
Rhythm Salute Volume 1 mixtape is available for streaming on digital music platform SoundCloud. Minister Farrakhan compares late rapper Nipsey Hussle to reggae legend Bob Marley. The leader of the Nation of Islam, Louis Farrakhan, made the comparison today whilst speaking at the rapper's Celebration of Life memorial service held at Staples Center in downtown Los Angeles.
This prophetic soul who is to hip-hop and rap what Bob Marley was to reggae. He is the prophetic voice of all in that community.
In his 2016 track Ocean Views, Nipsey rapped about singer Stevie Wonder performing at his funeral, which manifested today.
You're running here again, get me stuck. Whatever happened, mother heaven, you dropped me back down to the school. Go world.
Singers Marsha Ambrosia, Janae Aiko, and Anthony Hamilton also performed tributes to honor the celebrated Crenshaw rapper and activist. Longtime Love actress Lauren London and his children expressed their sentiments.
I love you so much unconditionally. My truth is this: I'm never gonna give up on you. My love and my devotion is to you.
To honor the life of the late Nipsey Hussle, the city of Los Angeles announced on Tuesday that the intersection of Slauson Avenue and Crenshaw Boulevard will now be known as the Ermias Nipsey Hussle Ashkadom Square. Nipsey Hussle was 33. He was fatally shot on March 31 in front of his Marathon clothing store. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.